Hello guys, with me here I have the Meta Quest 2 and welcome to our unboxing.
Welcome to our unboxing of the highly anticipated Meta Quest 2 virtual reality headset. This cutting-edge technology promises to take your VR experiences to the next level. The Meta Quest 2 is more than just a gaming device. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn. With its advanced features and capabilities, it can provide immersive and interactive educational experiences for students of all ages. With its advanced tracking technology, users can easily move around virtual classrooms and interact with objects as if they were actually there. This opens up a world of possibilities for educators who are looking for new ways to engage their students and make learning more fun and engaging.
Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay. In the box we have two controllers with buttons. Also we have, I think, charger. So we have USB Type-C to Type-C for charging and charger brick. Okay. And we have the VR headsets, the Oculus Quest 2. On the side we have the power button, volume control, and speakers on both sides. The lens inside, they are adjustable. It has 3 space to adjust. And we have this eyeglass spacer. For those using glasses, you can wear this before the headset. And lastly, we have the silicone cover. This mostly prevents the sweat from the face from staying on this soft foam, so you don't get it dirty and then germs or bacteria cannot stay on it. So it's really very advisable you put this on before you start using this. That way you get it to last longer. So now we're going to try and power the device on and see how it looks like. Let's take off this protection. Not bad. Okay, first we'll make this so it can fit in. Okay, and then the strap. You might want to use your hand to adjust this while you're wearing it so you don't move the belt to any other side. And then here we have the power button. I'm going to power it on now. This Oculus device on its own is a computer. It has its own processor, its own RAM and storage device. So most of the applications you're installing into this device. You're not like saving it on a computer somewhere else. Okay, now I think I have visuals. So I'm just seeing some introductory videos. It's asking me to pair the headset with the controllers. So I have the controllers, and then there is a strap inside that is supposed to stop the batteries from working. So removing this, and the second one. Okay, now the moment I unplug, I remove this paper strip from this controller. Immediately I can see it from my view inside the Quest. So let me remove this one as well. Okay, now this one I think is pairing. Yes, it's connected. So I have 2. From my screen I can easily see the controllers, this one on my right and this one on my left. Whereas I can't see any other picture of the outside world, only the picture inside the VR set. But I can see the controllers, and then I can use it to manipulate my screen in front of me. Okay, so let's talk about the controllers. Okay. And then on the controllers, we have some buttons, 2 buttons and a joystick. 1, 2, and a joystick. 1, 2, and another joystick here. I think depending on the games you're playing, this can either be used to control the characters or move the screen. So we have the menu button on the left-hand side, and then we have the Oculus button on the right-hand side. We have 2 buttons behind, one for the index finger and one for the middle finger. And same for here too, one for the index finger and one for the middle finger. So you can use this like also a controller, moving the objects in your screen either to pick something up or as a shooting device or as a cutting device. So it depends actually on what game you're playing or what you're doing on the screen.
Enjoy an advanced all-in-one VR with just a headset and controllers. Smartphone app required, or connect to a gaming computer to access Rift titles with Link. This device comes with 6 degrees of freedom. The headset tracks the movement of both your head and body, then translates them into VR with realistic precision. No external sensors are required. MetaQuest 2 touch controllers have been upgraded with improved ergonomics. A new thumb rest adds stability when needed. This device comes with a soft strap. This strap is designed to offer lightweight comfort for any type of player. This soft strap can be easily adjusted or upgraded with the MetaQuest accessories. This device comes in 2 versions, which is the 128GB version and the 256GB version.
So yeah, it is the MetaQuest 2. We're done with our unboxing. See you in the next video.